Jatin,
Hi sir.
the question for you is going to be talk about electric fuse.
An electric fuse is a safety device that is installed to safeguard our electrical appliances by breaking the main circuit.
Okay, and talk about
The
buckyballs.
structure of fluorines is closed like a football, and they are formed when the vaporized carbon condenses in atmosphere with inertness.
Okay, good, thank you. Rishita?
Hi sir.
Yeah, so now the question for you is going to be talk about gold leaf electroscope.
Gold leaf electroscope. This type of electroscope which is used for detecting the electrical charge in a body. It consists of two gold leaves, and there are two types of electroscopes, gold leaf electroscope and pitball electroscope. It was invented by Abraham Bennett in the year 1787. It is said that gold leaf electroscope is more sensitive than the pitball electroscope.
Okay, and moving on to the next one. Electric meter. See, what's the unit of electric meter? Commercial unit of electrical energy. kWh, right? So here kWh stands for?
Kilowatt an hour.
Okay, 1 kilowatt is equals to?
1000 watt into 3600 seconds.
Okay, good, thank you. The question for you is going to be talk about lightning conductors.
Lighting is very dangerous and it can cause a huge damage to houses, buildings and trees. To stop this lightning, to getting rid of this damage, a special device called lightning conductor is used, and that is placed according to the height of the building. And it is the upper part of the lightning conductor is Y-shaped and the lower part is buried into the ground.
Okay, good, thank you. Hi, Bhuvan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the question for you is going to be what are the two laws of electrostatics?
Okay, sir. The first law is the like charges repel and unlike charges attract.
Yeah, what if there is a plus plus? Will they repel or will they attract?
As they are the like charges, the repels.
Repel. What if there is minus minus?
Minus the repels.
Plus
Because they are
minus?
the repels. Huh?
Plus minus?
The attract.
Okay, good, thank you. Hi, Videsh.
Hi, sir.
Ready for the voice?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the first question for you is going to be talk about buckyballs.
Buckyball. The structure of fluorescence is closed like a football, and they are formed when vaporized condenses in the atmosphere with inert gas.
Inert gases. Alright. So talk about destructive distillation.
Destructive distillation. Destructive distillation is the process where the coal is burnt in the absence of air.
Okay, good. Thank you. Prashasta.
Hi sir.
Yeah, the question for you is going to be talk about MCB.
MCB stands for miniature circuit breaker. When a current flowing through a circuit exceeds the specified limit, automatically the switch of the MCB trips down and breaks down the supply.
Okay, now moving on to the next question. So, in which particular difference the electrons flow takes place? Is it charging by conduction or charging by induction?
Charging by conduction.
Okay, good, thank you.
Hi sir.
Yeah, now the question for you is going to be what is lamp black or soot?
Lamp black is commonly called soot, and it contains of 98 to 99% of carbon. It is prepared by burning of coal tar and absence of air.
Yes, good.
It
Thanks.
is used in manufacturing of paints.
Okay, good, thank you.
Thank you.
Question for you is going to be talk about conductors and insulators.
Yes, sir. Conductors. Conductors are the materials which allow electrons to flow in them.
Okay.
The examples are copper and silver.
Okay.
Insulators. Insulators are materials that do not allow electrons to flow in them.
Okay.
Are called insulators. Example, wood and rubber.
Can I say insulators are the bad conductors of heat and electricity?
Yes.
Okay, good, thank you. Hi, Ibrahim.
Hi sir.
The question for you is going to be talk about diamond.
Diamond is a crystalline form of carbon. It is the purest form of nature, and it is found in India, Karnataka, Golconda near Panna. The properties of diamond are it is a good conductor of heat. It is a purest form. It is dense in nature.
Okay.
Uses of jewelry are it is used for making jewelry to shine, and used for cutting hard instruments.
Okay,
Thank
good,
you.
thank you. Puneet, can you please tell the element names that's having a valency number 1?
OH hydroxide, Cl chloride, Br bromide, I iodide, NO3 nitrate,
Yes, correct.
HCO3
HCO3.
bicarbonate, AlO2 aluminate.
Okay, good. Thank you so much. Hi, Advait.
Hello,
The
sir.
question for you is going to be what are greenhouse gases and talk about greenhouse effect.
Okay, so greenhouse gases are the gases which heat up the Earth's surface by trapping the solar radiation. The greenhouse effect is the heating of the Earth's surface by trapping of the solar radiations by the greenhouse gases.
Okay, good. Very good. And can you please name some greenhouse gases?
Greenhouse gases are methane, carbon dioxide,
Good.
water vapor, and etc.
Good, thank you.
Hi sir.
The question for you is talk about asphyxia.
When the large amount of CO is inhaled, the person may lead to suffocation and get brain damage and death.
Okay, what is CO?
Carbon monoxide.
Okay, done. Thank you. Vaishnavi?
Hi sir.
Yeah, the question for you is going to be talk about electric meter.
An electric meter is used to measure the consumption of electricity at home. It measures the kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour 1000 watts into 3600 seconds.
Okay, good, thank you. What are the physical properties of CO2, Rishan?
CO2 physical properties are it is colorless and odorless. It is insoluble in water. The solid form of CO2 is dry ice.
Okay, and one more question for you. So talk about, just guess this concept. So it's a device. Whenever it reaches to a specified limit, it automatically trips down and cut off the main supply. What we call
MCB, sir.
MCB stands for?
Miniature circuit breaker.
Okay, thank you. Hi Abu Bakar.
Hi sir.
The question for you is going to be talk about lambac.
Lambac, commonly called as soot, it contains to 98% to 99%. It can be prepared by burning of coal tar.
Very good.
Or absence of air.
Very good.
Example, it is used by manufacturing paint. It is used for shoe polish.
Very good, thank you. Hi Nitya.
Hi sir.
The question for you is going to be what is carbonization?
The slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal.
Okay, and what is destructive distillation?
Destructive distillation of coal is a process where coal burns in the absence of air.
Okay, good, thank you. Sushrit,
Hi sir.
the question for you is going to be what is electric fuse?
Electric fuse. Electric fuse is a device which is fixed in our house to safeguard our electric appliances by breaking down the main circuit.
Okay, and what are the three types of wires in the domestic circuit system?
The three types of wires are live wire, earth wire, and the neutral wire.
Okay, good, thank you.
Thank you sir.
Hi sir.
What are the types of coal? Explain about it.
Coal is a amorphous form of carbon. In coal there are 4 types of coal: peat, lignite, bituminous, and anthracite.
Okay, what are the two types of coke?
Hard coke and soft coke.
Okay, and coming to the hard coke, it is a residue that is left after the destructive distillation of coal. With respect to the temperature,
600 to 700
degrees
degrees.
centigrade. Okay, thank you. Satvika?
Hi sir.
Yeah, so talk about coke and what are the types of coke?
Coke is a fuel which is used in homes and factories. There are 2 types of coke: soft coke, hard coke. Soft coke. It is a residue left after destructive distillation of coal in a temperature 600 Celsius to 650 Celsius. Hard coke. It is a residue left after destructive distillation of coal in a temperature 1200 Celsius to 1400 Celsius.
Okay, thank you.
Hi sir.
The question for you is going to be what is destructive distillation?
Destructive distillation is the process in which coal is burnt in the absence of air.
Okay, thank you.